Hi guys, so today I'm going to bring you 3 short, sharp, snappy stretches or exercises to help release your hip and glute area. That includes the piriformis, which is a muscle sort of deep within your bum cheek, attaches to the top of your hip bone. So you're female. So let's come down to the mat. You're going to start, first one, we start cross-legged, and then the foot that is in front, you bring that a little further away from the body. And then you're just going to slowly ease forwards. You can pop you want to try and keep this leg nice and relaxed, but you're just going to pop your sort of elbow into the inside of your left thigh. I've started with my left leg slightly forwards. And just breathe, and you should feel it opening into this hip space. So this is a really, really lovely stretch. Just breathe here for a couple of moments. I'd always recommend you doing these slightly warm. Maybe after you've been moving a bit dynamically as well. We'll swap sides. I'll show you front on so you get the gist. So I started cross-legged. My foot that's in front is going to come a little further in front. You sort of wiggle that other foot a little further forwards, and then you just slowly soften forwards, keeping the back nice and long, keeping your seat bones kind of grounded, and just breathing into that outer hip space. Think about pulling the chest forwards. Like imagine someone's sort of pulling you from a golden thread forwards. Notice which side feels different. So that's one stretch. The next is one of my absolute favourites. You come up to stand. We're going to be at the top of the mat, and then you're going to take your right leg across to the left side of the mat. So the right hand comes down, and then you lift your left arm, and you want to feel it all the way around this hip complex. Good. Breathe and really reach up through those fingers and pull this left hip back. You always want to do both sides, so let's swap. Right foot down, left foot crosses out to the right side, left hand down, right arm up. Pull that right hip back so it's not swinging out to the side. Breathe, it should feel super yummy. And then the last one, of course, we come down to the mat and we're going to be doing good old pigeon. So, right foot forwards, left leg back behind you. Try and keep your hips level. We don't want to be tilting off to one side. Don't worry about whether this foot is back here or up to parallel. It doesn't need to be parallel. It can just be wherever is comfortable. And then slowly, you can engage your glutes and then slowly lower to a place that feels comfortable. It might be that you stay up, but just make sure there's no pressure on your knee. That if there's any pressure, just bring that foot closer back towards your body. Coming back up, let's swap sides. Left leg forwards again, make sure the hips are level, glutes engaged, and then slowly soften down towards the mat, breathing into that outer hip space, keeping your back long. Big, full, robust breaths in and out through the nose. And that are 3 really simple, yummy hip stretches. Enjoy.